Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO F19 and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through recovery mode. Now that being said, this process will also allow you to get rid of a screen lock if you have one set that you don't know. Though right now I don't have anything set, but this will not really change the process in any way. So number one, no matter if your device is unlocked or locked, hold your power button. Just make sure that your screen is right now powered on so you can actually see the screen. And then once you have the options visible after holding the power button, swipe down to power the phone off. Now once that happens, hold your power button and volume down at the same time. And when the logo shows up, let go of the power button. Here, tap on your desired language and then select Format Data. This will generate a random code. Again, that being said, it's completely independent on if you have a screen lock or not. This is just randomly generated. It is a kind of like a verification process that you want to reset your device and you didn't click on this by mistake. So once you put in this code, so for me right now it's 4912, actually to prove a point, going back, as you can see it changed. It was 4912, now it's 2966. From there select Format. This will now begin factory resetting your device. It only takes a couple seconds. From here click on OK. This will then reboot the device and continue resetting it in the background. Now this process will take a little bit longer than you might be used to, so just let it run through. Once it's finished, we will then be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.